The Berne Highland Washed Gasoline Jacket is crafted for those who demand durability and flexibility in their workwear. Ideal for the job site, around the shop, or on the farm. This jacket combines robust materials with functional design to ensure you stay protected, warm, and mobile throughout your workday. Featuring a 12-ounce 100% cotton sanded duck shell, this rugged jacket is built to last and withstand the demands of physical labor. The heavyweight 100% polyester fleece lining provides substantial warmth and comfort, perfect for colder weather conditions. Mobility is enhanced with pleated elbows and a bi-swing action back, which allow for a greater range of motion during active tasks. The edge-stitched duck collar, equipped with snaps for an optional hood sold separately, can be adjusted to suit changing weather, ensuring versatility across different environments. For a customized fit, the jacket features adjustable snap cuffs and side tabs, allowing you to adjust the jacket to your comfort level easily. Storage is ample and conveniently designed with 3 inside chest pockets and 2 angled welt pockets, offering plenty of room to securely store your essentials. The Highland Washed Gasoline Jacket also boasts a heavy-duty brass front zipper and triple needle-stitched main seams, reinforcing its ability to handle tough tasks. Additionally, a one-piece back allows for easy embroidery, making this jacket not only practical, but also customizable. The Berne Highland Washed Gasoline Jacket is more than just a piece of clothing. It's a durable, comfortable, and functional choice for hardworking individuals.